Today's reading is for fire sign people, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So I'm going to be telling you about how is that Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are going to be faring for the next 15 days. Okay, so we are going to be talking about their partner's current feelings for them. At the same time, we are also going to be talking about their career and finances, a little bit about their health, and in general, what is that specifically I see about them and their partner in the reading. This is what I'm going to be discussing in today's reading. So yes guys, this reading is not gender specific. This is for everyone, male, female, same gender people, everyone. And this is also going to be a timeless reading. That means whenever you see the reading, this reading is going to be resonating with you in some way or the other. So you can watch this reading as and when you want, or whenever you see the reading, you will find something related to you or something which may give you some kind of a guidance. Okay, so let us not waste any more time and begin the reading. So yes, this reading is for fire sign people. That means Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So yes guys, have a faith and trust in yourself, in the reading, and also in the universe. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned till the end of the reading, because there are a lot of things which I'm going to be telling you about you and your partner as well. Okay, so let us call upon all the angels from the universe to help us out with the reading. So the first card is Two of Cups. Oh my god, this reading is actually beginning with a very happy note. And yeah, I told you I'm going to be telling you about how is that your partners are feeling about you. Also about your career and finances, a little bit about their career and finances as well. And we are going to be also throwing some light on your health. If I feel that there is something which I need to tell you about your health, otherwise I may skip it. Okay, the second card is Queen of Cups. Third card is Two of Swords. Fourth card is Ace of Wands. And the fifth card is Justice. So we got all the five cards, and this is the other half of the deck. If needed, I may take some cards from this portion of the deck also. But let me now stick only to these five cards, and let us find out what is the bottom energy. Okay, so the bottom energy is, what is this? Four of Cups. Four of Cups is the bottom of energy, which has actually come in reversed. Okay, yeah. So let me tell you, see, with the bottom energy, what I can see is, uh, in the past, maybe in the recent past, um, if I have to tell you about your partner, then in the recent past, your partner, you may have asked your partner about taking you out for a date, or you may have offered, if you were new to your partner or something, and if you didn't know your partner well, and if you were like just knowing them, and you wanted to offer your cup of love to them, your partner might have shown disinterest in your offer. This is what I feel. And also, I feel that your partner might have had some kind of a bad experiences regarding their love and relationship or something. That may be another reason why these partners of yours are not taking that much interest in your offer. That could be also one of the major reasons. But since this card has come in the reverse, what I feel is they are actually thinking about the offer which you were giving them in the past, and they are thinking of considering this offer and want to give you one chance, or want to start something with you for sure. So this is what I can see, and that is the reason this when I pulled the card and all, I got The first card is Two of Cups. That means in their minds it is running that I need to take the offer of my partner who is so loving towards me, and they might have found that you and your partner both fall on the same page, and you may be having same traits or something, and this can also be something wherein you might or your partner might have thought that both of you can start some business together, because your skill sets, whatever you possess or they possess, they are like kind very similar kind of skill sets you have, and with this skill sets you can start some business together, and there's going to be a beautiful coordination between the two of you, and there are a lot of things you have in common. So your partner is thinking that if you start some business together, then this business is going to be bringing a lot of success to you. This is what they feel. And if it's something related to your love and emotion or something, again they feel that you both share same kind of feelings for each other at the same time. It's a mutual attraction between the two of you. Okay. And with the Queen of Cups, I feel that you have been chasing for this love for a very long time, and you have not been very open with your emotions when it comes to expressing them. So yeah, with this bottom card I can feel, and you might not have directly spoken to your partner about your feelings. It's like through your gestures or the way you speak to them or the way you behave with them and all, they might have guessed that you have a special feeling for them, and they might be waiting for you to express that verbally. That could be one of the reasons why in the past they were little hesitant to accept your love. They were like in two minds, and they might have thought that maybe it is their illusion, or uh, it is that they are thinking that you are interested in them, and you may not be that interested, but only through your gestures and behavior and all, they are guessing this is what they thought, and they were in two minds also at the same time. So they wanted to have a clear communication with you, and they also wanted you to be expressive about it. So I think um, even you were hiding your emotions from your partner. You had a lot of love for them, but you were hiding your love, and maybe in the recent past, or maybe uh, very recently, you were like, let me speak to my partner, let me be very open with my emotions, and let me express my love towards my partner. This is what you thought, and you had a, I think you had a clear cut conversation with your partner about what is that you feel about them, and it's like you want to start this relationship with them. This is what you thought, I should be talking to my partner, and you did that. And luckily, your partner accepted your uh, proposal. And with the Justice card, I feel that your partner is feeling mm, thinking of taking this relationship seriously, and they want this relationship to be declared officially also. So a lot of you might be getting into a very serious relationship, which might turn into marriage also. This is what I see from this card. And yeah, so this is about your, how is that your partners are feeling for you. And if I have to tell you about their career and finances, then in the career and finances, yes, they are doing very well, for the fact that whoever they are working with, they are in very good coordination with them, and they love their work, and they also love the kind of people they are working with. And yes, they had some kind of a confusion, but that confusion has been sorted out and all, and everything is clear to them. And most of them, some of them, not all, but some of them may be from law background or something, some of them may be from police department or something, or some may be a teacher also. This is what I feel. So yes, all of you who are from this background are going to be doing wonderfully well when it comes to your career and finances. Okay, so for health point and all, I don't see there's much to be spoken about and all, because yes, when it comes to health and all, you're doing well. There's not much. Yes, when it comes to two of swords, you may be having some kind of a mental tension, or some kind of a clarity you were looking for. So yes, you're thinking too much, and so the card is kind of warning you to not to think too much and all, and you need to sit down and you see if there's some kind of a confusion or something. Then it's better that instead of sitting thinking, not sleeping well and all the time running in that energy, it's better that you get things cleared. This is what the cards are suggesting you. So when it comes to your next 15 days, you guys are going to be meeting with your partner. You are going to be expressing your love to your partner. There's not going to be any confusion between the two of you, because there's going to be a very candid conversation with your partner. And there are a lot of people who are going to be taking this relationships very seriously. Few of you may get married also, because there's this plan in your partner's mind to get married, and that could be a, what is that marriage called, court marriage kind of a thing. This is what I feel. And in the past they might have rejected your offer, but now they seem to be interested in your offer. And yes, there's going to be a good coordination between the two of you. um, and there are very high chances that you guys are going to be getting married as well. So this is what I see for people who are from fire sign, and they are going to be doing really good in the next 15 days. So with this, I finished this reading for people who fall in this category, fire sign category. So yeah, you guys are going to be rocking, and it's going to be wonderfully well period for you. And yes, in the next reading I may take reading for earth sign people. Okay guys, so till then, please do take good care of yourself. And I would like to thank all those people who have already subscribed to my channel. I would also want to extend my sincere gratitude to all those people who are actually taking out their precious time and taking that pain to write down those comments about the video and on how is that they feel about the video, and they write about it. I feel extremely good and extremely humble to read all those lovely comments, and you will not even imagine how inspiring and how motivating those comments are for me. So you are really doing very good for me. And I would also request all those people who haven't yet subscribed to my channel to do it as early as possible. Hit the bell icon also, so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, since you're going to be getting the notification on time. So yes, with this I end this reading here, and promise you to meet you very soon with the next video. Till then guys, bye bye, and please do take very good care of yourself. See you, bye.